questions is that I don't know what's the solution. But if you get to solve it, right, there's a lot of satisfaction. Right, so this is the interesting thing of problem sums, right? So if you get to solve it, you get satisfaction, right? So it's like PSLE is the same, no? If you can solve, there's a lot of satisfaction you can solve it because there's time limit, and then it's like a national exam. Let's take a look, alright? So 27 pieces of $5, $10 all together. So Lucas used 75% of the $5 note, put in 12 more. Okay, so I do not know how many are there, but I know that for the $5 notes, I will start with I will start with sorry, yeah. This is the value, this is a unit. Okay, I'll start with 4 units. Then yeah, why? Because remove 75%. So 75% is 3 units. Take away 3. So left 1 unit. Alright, yeah, and put in 12 more. So here plus 12. $10. So as a result, the number of $5 was 40%, the number of 10. So you see the number of $5 is 40%. This one is 40%. And the one over here is 100%. Can you see that? This one must be 40%. And this has to be 100%. Okay, so to achieve this criteria, I will change my model. Right? Why do I want to change it? Because I need to tally with the right hand side. Okay, this one over here. So now my 1 unit, right, is 40%. So how many percent? Let's say I change everything to percent. Right? So how many percent is 4 units? Yeah. Okay, wait, let me see. Do I want to use percent? Let's say this is 4. Okay, I want to try another one. Change to parts. I change everything to parts. Okay, let me set it up, then I explain what's going on, right? Let me write out the table first. So here 4 part 10 part plus 12 at first units, sorry, parts. At first, okay, I write the thing that I explain what's going on. So this is parts. At first there's, after that only got 4. So at first there's 4 times, so it's 16 parts. So minus 12 parts. Okay, so here this is 10 part minus 12. Okay, so we are now looking at the red color column. Do you know how I derive this one? Okay, let me explain what's going on. Right? So you see that at the end there is information that as a result of the number of $5, there's 40%. So now instead of 1 unit, I need 40%, and this is 40% of the number of $10 notes. So what I do is I go backwards. I change this 40% to 4 parts. So if this is 4 parts, here must be 10 parts. So far is this okay? Because it's 40% of this. Now I need to reverse. Now when I go backwards, you see the ratio here is 4:1. And this 1 represents this 40%, which is my 4 parts, right? That means initially there's 4 times. So I need to times 4, so 16 parts here. Right? That means this whole column must times 4. So this becomes 16 parts minus 12 parts equals 4 parts. And the other side, okay, how do I derive this 10 part minus 12? Is I go backwards. Because at first I have 10 part minus 12. So plus 12 becomes 10 parts. Is that alright? Okay, so this is the critical part. Okay, obtaining the red color column. So next piece of information is this. So there were 27 pieces altogether. That means 16 part plus 10 part minus 12 is equal to 27. Okay, let's write that out. So 16 part plus 10 part minus 12 equals 27. So 16 plus 10 is 26 equals to 27 plus 12 is 39. Wow, this looks weird. So 1 part equals to 39 divided by 26. 1.5. Okay, it's not too bad. Okay, so 1 part is 1.5. We want to find the total value of $5 notes at first. So at first I have 16 parts of $5 notes. Okay, so 16 parts of $5, I take 1.5 times 16. There are 24 $5 notes at first. Yeah, so 16 times 1.5. So there are 25 pieces, right? What's the value? So you take 25 times 5. 1.5 times 16. Sorry. 24. Error. Yeah, calculate wrong. So it's 24 pieces. So 24 times 5 equals to 120. So that's our first answer. Okay, $120. Yep. Next one. So what was the total amount of money Lucas had in the piggy bank in the end? So in the end there are 14 parts. 14 parts. So we need to calculate the number of $5 and $10 respectively. So 4 parts. Yeah. So $5. Number of $5 is 4 times 1.5 equals to 6. Number of $10, 10 times 1.5 equals to 15. Right, so we times 6, so 5 times 6, $30. Alright, so there's $30 of $5, and then 15, so 150 plus 150 plus 30 equals 180. Right, that's it.